Guys, OGad is one of the websites
globally you start making money.
Content through this
Websites
which can use for your CPA marketing. If you want to be making money online or you don't have anything particular now in your mind, one of the places I will advise you to start with is affiliate marketing, and CPA affiliate marketing is the best. Okay, you can start CPA affiliate marketing today. Before tomorrow you are making money already. Make every day of your life count. Okay, let's drive right into it. This is OGad, how you can sign up into OGad and you will get approval instantly. Okay, just follow this video step by step. Don't rush it. Follow it step by step and you will be there. Okay, let's go there. He said this all in one content locking platform. Easily monetize your website, blog, app and your content. So go to your browser and type in OGad. So the website will come out. You click on sign in, put your username, your email address, then go to general information. Okay, how did you hear about us? So you tell them through YouTube, via, just write via YouTube, via VIA, via YouTube. That is okay. All right, so another thing, the second thing there is, the next question is, how long have you been doing CPA? So you just put 1 to 2 years. The next thing is, what are your monthly earnings? Just put under $1,000. Okay, please list current network you are sending traffic to. That means other networks that you are using to do your CPA. Just write CPAGrip. So you are going to write those networks that are popular. You write CPAGrip, you write CPABuild. Okay, these are the websites that are popular, the ones that they will know whether you are marketing with those CPA or not. Just write them. The next one is CPA house. So just write CPA house. What we want to achieve is for them to approve your account. So other information. So the next question is, what verticals are you working with? What they mean by what vertical is your niche, the niche you are doing online. So my own is how to make money online. I have to write it there. The next question is, what traffic source will you use to promote our offer and monetization? So what you do is, you tell them that you will promote their offers, okay, through your website with your audience. Okay, you promote their offers through your website to your audience, and also you can also add with your social media pages.
okay, to your audience. So the next step is list your current content locking landing page. So list the current content locking landing page you are running. So what do? You have to write all those networks that you are using, the CPAGrip, okay, CPA Bounty, and the CPA House. Those are the current content lockers that you are using. It's all this information that will make them approve your account, because they don't want anyone that they will approve their account and you will not be promoting their offers. So that's what they are avoiding. So you need to give them informations that will make them to approve your account. When you give them more informations, they will know that you are serious, that you are really ready to work, so they will approve your account. So once you put the information correctly, your account must be approved. So the next thing, so far so good, okay. So now all you have to do is to check their terms and condition and you are ready to go. Just click on terms and condition, click on finish. Your account will be created. They will send you an email within 24 hours and your account will be approved and you will start promoting your offers. So on the way you are going to promote the offer, subscribe to this channel, okay, like this video, put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, YouTube will notify you and you start taking actions. I post video, like 3 videos every week on this channel on how to make money online, and I do more videos on CPA offer, CPA marketing, okay. So through there you will be learning how to promote the offers and start making money. You need to make money, okay. Online making money is real, but you have to offer something for you to make money. There is no free money online. You have to offer something, do something. This, if you really want to make money online, don't joke about it. Subscribe to this channel. You must see 1 or 2 ways you will start making money online. I wish you well. See you in my next video. Bye.